Hey guys, tonight we're gonna unbox TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi Range Extender AC1200 dual band 5 and 2.4 GHz. 5 GHz speed goes up to 867 MB per second. 2.4 GHz per second goes to 300 MB per second. So pretty much they advertise it as works with any Wi-Fi router, but there's one mesh technology which doesn't work with my currently router, which is AC Archer C7, which is 1750 megabits per second router. So let's open it up. Okay, extend your Wi-Fi to your whole home. Works with any Wi-Fi router to eliminate dead zones. Okay. Nothing else. Let's put it to the side. Let's take a look what's in the back. General public license notice. A quick installation guide. How to power on. It's quite simple. If your router has a VPS button, really, just power on. Next to router, of course. Oh, you need to set up through the Tether application if you really want it, but we're gonna do it the good old way, because on mine version 2 out of 5 versions, I believe it's just gonna not be set up like in this quick installation guide. So we're gonna use the old way, and the old way is just press button, press VPS button on range extender, press VPS button on modem, then wait till it signs, and then relocate it. That's it, without any application or so on. Okay, here's the packaging. It's quite simple one. Looks like egg packaging. And here it is. The router range extender. 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz lights, Wi-Fi range lights, and on off with the reset button. Okay, that was the unboxing of TP-Link AC1200 dual band range extender. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this range extender, if you plan buy it yourself, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and please just press like or comment and press subscribe to my channel. Thank you.